There's one. That's a big one. Yeah, big one.
5. If I don't catch 5, I don't get paid.
1, 2, 3, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me show you, show you. You know that I got that soul, yeah. Show you, show you. You know that I got that soul, yeah. I can go high as I wanna. Watching me fly, cause I'm gonna show you, show you, show you that I got that soul. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I got that soul. Oh, oh, oh.
All right, welcome back to another video, guys. This week we are on Lake Guntersville for the first stop of the Central Toyota series. It is cold this morning. I think it's like 30 something degrees, I don't know, but it's freezing. I got like 3 jackets on. It's been raining all night. Yesterday actually got canceled, so this is gonna be a 2-day tournament. The full field is just gonna be fishing 2 days, Friday, Saturday. Had some bad weather rolled through yesterday, so they ended up canceling the day. Had a lot of rain last night. I hear some stuff can get muddied up here on Guntersville, so not really sure what to expect for today. I got a few areas where I caught some fish on a chatterbait and a lipless, like a rattle trap. And then I had one punching area, but the weather for today, I really don't think it's gonna set up right for punching. Whenever I got bit in there, it was sunny. Bluebird skies today, overcast, windy. So don't think that's gonna play. I might check it just because there were some really good fish in there. But I think that the rattle trap chatterbait bite probably gonna be the deal today. So hopefully a couple of my areas are still good, aren't blown out. And hopefully we can catch them. If you get bit here in Guntersville, it's usually a pretty good fish. So probably expect to be a lot of bags in like the 14 to 20 pound range, just because if you can catch 5 out here, which it honestly seems kind of tough to catch 5, like probably gonna get 5 to 7 bites a day, maybe less, I don't know. But if you do get those bites, usually good fish. So probably end up with a decent bag if I can get 5 fish in the boat. So let's head on out there, see if we can catch 5 nice fish on Guntersville, kick off day 1. And then day 2, we got some nice conditions. So we'll see what happens this week, guys. There's one. Thank you. Alright, you can set down. Appreciate it. $2.29. There's one. He's small. They gotta be 15 here, right? Yep. That's a nice one. There's one. That's a big one. Yeah, big one. Oh, it's either not a bass or I got him hooked in the tail.
Well, that's what I was doing yesterday. Last night, it's Tuesday. We catch him in the side, in the belly.
I got him in the tail. That's a good one though. Yes, thank you.
I'll take that all day long.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I'll take it all day long in the tail.
Appreciate it.
That's what they were doing.
Slapping at it. As long as they come in the boat. Almost 5. Got one. Thank you. Oh, he might be close. Yep, he's good. There's one. He's tiny. There's one. He's small. I got him. There's one. Thank you. Oh, look how fat that guy is.
And feet on all shit. Jumping around.
He'll keep. What's that?
I think you should have been able to see him.
I saw something flicker up there. That's why I made the cast up there. I don't know if he was chasing a bait fish or what it was, but oh, yeah, he's good. £14. There's one. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Thank you. They're chunky ones back here. I don't even know if he's a 15-incher. I bet he's bigger than my smallest one, but I don't know that he goes 15. Yeah, he does.
Alabama co-ed, got us one. One today, Randy. It's Fort Mill, Alabama Pro. 3 bags in the bag. 3 today, Christian. Christian Greico thinks otherwise. Florida kid. But it ain't supposed to be cold like this. You got a Tampa, Florida, with a limit in the bass, 14 pounds, 9 ounces. Top 10 right now, Christian. Good morning, man. It's Stephen Moore.
Hello, sir. I think I'm your boater for today. Are you Juan Chacon?
What are the odds, man?
What are the odds?
I laughed so hard yesterday when I saw the text. Yeah, they sent me a thing. I was like,
for those of you that don't know, this is JC, aka Senor Bass, my buddy. We're staying together this week, and I drew him out as my co-angler for day 2 of this tournament.
how lucky are you, bro? I had to make like 100 phone calls to get paired with this guy, so I can learn from the best. That's what he likes to hear.
Oh yeah. That's the story you told yesterday.
What I'm saying is, like, you gotta be the most luckiest guy in the world to fish with me today, bro.
I'm gonna learn all kinds of stuff, right?
Yeah, I mean, he's gonna put like 45 pounds today, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch him today. It's cold this morning. It's like 29 degrees. But I think I don't know. Everyone's saying they're not gonna bite because it's gonna be completely different conditions from yesterday. Sunny, bluebird skies, high pressure. But personally, I think they're gonna bite pretty good. Maybe not on that casting bite as good. I think we'll probably have a shot first thing in the morning, like first hour, to catch a few trap fish. And then past that, I think we can probably go catch them punching. I don't know for sure, but the conditions set up kind of similar to practice when I was able to catch a few fish in the mat. So hopefully that pans out. I'd like to catch, I don't know, 3 to 5 fish. I mean, whatever bites really first thing in the morning on that grass. And then hopefully we can get the big weight out, get to punching, and I think that's probably going to be my best shot at catching like a 18 to 20 plus, who knows, bag. But yesterday I had 14.9, so I'm in like, I don't know, I didn't look at the results. They didn't have the numbers listed out, but I think I'm in like 70 something place. But 15 is the top 65 cut line, which is what gets you a check in this tournament. So I think if I catch 15, and if I catch like 15 plus, probably get up in that check range. So we just got on the water after like let's see, I got to the ramp, yeah, like 5:30. It's 6:50. It took over an hour to get in the water. There's my buddy Norby back there, was a mess. Over half of the ramp was frozen. So at certain points they were only letting 1 boat launch at a time. With 260 boats in this tournament, you can imagine how that turned out. So I think they've already called dang near all the numbers, and there's still a huge line back there to launch. So we're a late boat number, so it didn't really bother me any. Boat 228, but there's probably still over 100 boats left to launch, and it's 6:50. We launched at 6:30. So this is a mess, but we're about to get out there. It's sunny. It looks like it's starting to warm up. Let's go catch a bag, guys.
Skull, man. You good? We're here?
We're here.
Wow, that was fast. My face is frozen.
The guy in the green boat? Yeah, we're going to the right. My reel's frozen. Said my reel is frozen. Yeah. Look at that. That's all it'll cast.
Nope, it's frozen too. Nothing frozen now.
There it goes. There's one. Yeah, good one. He feels pretty big. I don't know yet. This right side, I think. Nope, this side. Yeah.
There you go. That's a nice one. Look.
Yep. Thank you. Probably close to a 4-pounder.
Ya sacó la primera. Como de 4 libras.
Yeah. Yeah, on the catch commander. He's probably oh, look, he's tagged. I wonder if I win anything.
He's tagged?
Yeah. Hang on, it was bouncing all around. I think he's like 3 3/4.
Oh yeah, I see the tag.
377. My live lids are frozen. We're gonna have to pour some water on them. They're completely frozen. They're not opening, are they?
No. No, we should have thought about that, huh?
Well, I mean, what are you gonna do?
Pour water from the morning. But you know you're gonna catch them. I could pee on it. I think you're making it worse.
Well, the lake water is warmer. It's coming, it's coming. Look at it moving. Oh, it's starting to move at least.
Long tight.
Ooh, almost.
Alright, go for it. You got it.
We got it.
Oh my god.
Sorry, fish.
Number 1.
That's a first for me. Oh, he's not a keeper. He's only like 13 inches. But they're in the mats. He's a 14.
Have to be 15?
Yeah. If I got bit in this random mat, then they're gonna be in the right, my good mats, I think.
We know what we're doing for the rest of the day, huh?
As long as they're gonna bite like that.
Yeah, I mean, we freaking spent an hour here, like 30 minutes throwing chatterbaits.
We're gonna get bit on the next spot though.
We're heading there.
Yeah, you need a punching setup.
Please, and thank you, sir, for your kindness. Are you gonna tie my knot too?
I am.
That's just embarrassing.
I'm gonna tie a bad one, so when you set the hook on one, it's just gonna break. All right, 10:30. Got one fish in the boat, but it's a pretty good one. Caught it on a lipless, but that bite's kind of shut down. So I just punched one random junk mat in this creek I was fishing and got bit. So that tells me the punching bite should be getting good. So I'm gonna run over to my mats and hopefully they're biting in there.
We're here though.
Huh?
I mean, the mud just started like right there, bro. That's crazy.
See. So this wasn't muddy yesterday, it just got muddy.
You came and checked it out yesterday?
Mm-hmm. It was,
Windy, loud?
yeah, but the water was clear. Nope, I got him.
There you go, buddy.
Mm-hmm. $267.
Like not even moving, kind of like lifting, but almost all the way out of the water.
No. Have you? Where? Oh,
Georgia.
one just bit me right there. He just hit it again.
Hmm?
He hit it again. Took one of my claws off of it. cold. He's not going to be. He might. Oh no. No.
You think that's the one that...
Yeah, that's the one that bit me.
They're here, bro.
I wish I knew more places that looked like this.
You don't have more places in here?
The one that I just ran into before we came here, but it was all muddy.
But this is kind of muddy too, bro.
No,
If you want to go check it out.
it's clear. This bay is still kind of clear. The whole thing was all muddy. There's a little bit of silt, but it's not really muddy.
Not too far. If you run these and if you get more bites here, might be worth checking it out. It's not too far, right? It's around the corner.
Like 5 minutes. I never got bit in practice in it though. It just looked good. There's one. Good one.
The rattle trap?
Yeah.
Ooh, boy.
2 more, baby.
And look at me, I'm watching Bassmaster. Not the Bassmaster, the Bass Pro Tour. You see some grass here somewhere?
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
There you go. You need to measure that one or no?
Did this one, is it even on? And now I see it turned back off. I think there's something wrong with that GoPro. $434. Number 3 is a good one. 130, we need 2 more fish in the boat and we'll probably get paid today.
Vámonos. Ándale, ándale, Christian. Quit being lazy.
Booyah, 1 knocker. What, probably 200 other guys are throwing out here. Get back to watching Bassmaster or MLF. Or what were you watching, MLF?
What do you want me to watch?
I got one.
No way.
Yeah.
Told you! Told you! Come on, come on. Keeper?
Oh yes, keeper. Yeah. Alright, sit down, sit down.
I told you! If I sit down, you have to work, bro. Scale?
Probably close to 3.
Yeah.
Look how fat he is.
Yeah.
He's a high 2. Low 3.
He's number 4, right?
Yeah. 289.
Oh. High 2. Come on, Christian.
Come on, 1 more.
You feel happy?
Not until I get 5.
You so greedy, bro.
5. If I don't catch 5, I don't get paid.
All right, let's make a deal. You catch 5, you buy me a Starbucks.
Alright, deal.
All right. Go get it, Tiger.
Whatever you want from Starbucks if I catch
Oh, even a cheese Danish?
Yep.
Woo, baby. You're gonna catch one.
For a total of 17-13. Good work, man. Mike, so Northport's 1 pro. Sunshine, man, feels good, doesn't it? A little bit more like home. 14-12 yesterday, Mikey. 13-12 today. 28-8.
I found one in the
40 place right now in check range.
Looks like the weights are down. I think we might squeak out a check with these 4.
5-12 yesterday. Better day, too.
They were all good ones.
4. Christian Greico, Tampa, Florida pro. 14-9 yesterday. Got us 4 more today. 4 good ones, man. You needed that 5th one bad. 13-14, 28-7, man. You're in check range right now. Hang in there.
Well guys, the weights ended up tanking today. They dropped pretty significantly. So with just under 14 pounds on 4 fish, I actually moved up about 30 spots and ended this tournament up in 47th place. So got to check. They were paying out the top 65 with the full field of 260 boats. So definitely happy about that. Pretty much anything in that top 65 this week I was going to be happy with, just given how tough the conditions were. I mean, they caught them. There were some good bags weighed in. If you got bit, it was generally a pretty good fish, but getting bit was kind of the tough part this week. So glad to have caught what I caught for sure. Got some decent fish in the mix, which definitely helped out. So 3 key baits this week. Definitely number 1 was that Booyah. It was a 1 knocker, just your typical, I think it was a Rayburn red pattern, typical Guntersville bait, that trap, red trap. It was the 1 knocker. And then caught, what did I catch? 1 or 2 fish on a red chatterbait. That wasn't really the deal, it didn't seem like, but in some of that shallower grass where it was hard to rip that trap through, I threw that chatterbait in there. And then caught 1 3-pounder punching on that 2nd day. So I think if that water on one of my mat spots wouldn't have gotten all muddy, I think I would have wrecked them in there. But a lot of places got muddy, especially the 2nd day of the tournament. That mud had moved down the river, so I think that was probably a big factor in why the weights dropped a lot, is because a lot of places got muddied up. So I don't really know if they bite in that mud or not. I know punching they usually don't, so I mean, I only gave it like 15 minutes, but from what I know about punching, they do not bite in that dirty water. So maybe some of the moving bait stuff still work, but I really don't know. But anyways guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. First Central Toyota, starting off with a pretty good finish, 47th. So next up in the Centrals is going to be Smith Lake, but between that I've got an invitational event on Clark's Hill. So hopefully we can keep the train rolling here, get a check on Clark's Hill. But appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one.